Ladies, here's an amazing free offer. This $1 bottle of Angel Touch liquid makeup by Pond's is yours free by mail with box tops from Ivory Snow. Discover the complete makeup magic of fabulous Angel Touch. Forget foundation creams and powders. Just touch on Angel Touch, blend in for desired tone, and see, your skin glows with new radiance, never to shine or streak. Imagine, Angel Touch is free with box tops from Ivory Snow, safest possible soap for all your nice washables. Now here's how to get your free bottle of Angel Touch by Pond's. Pencil ready? Send your name, address, and complexion coloring, fair, rosy, or olive, plus 1 king-size Ivory Snow box top, or 2 giant box tops, or 4 regular box tops, to Ivory Snow, Box 14, Cincinnati 99, Ohio. But hurry, this offer is limited.